bed. I have to go to work.
Dad, Mum needs you right now. Eco mode on. Heat the shower. John's calling you.
Thanks to the KUKA automatic charging assistant and autonomous parking, it's magic. Let's go. It works! The car is finding its way on its own. Your electric vehicle drives completely autonomous and parks right in front of the KUKA charging assistant. And the assistant does everything for you, automatically. Or shall I say, automagically. Open charging port cover. You don't have to worry about anything and can just relax. The KUKA charging assistant recognizes your vehicle and automatically starts the charging process. Thanks to an intelligent camera, the charging assistant knows exactly where the port on your vehicle is. And it all happens automatically. Now your electric vehicle has enough power for the next trip. Thanks to KUKA's automation expertise and innovative ideas, the charging process is now completely safe and reliable. Parking and charging at the touch of a button. How much time does that save? The KUKA charging assistant gives you more time for the more important things in life. And the great thing is, it's suitable for many car brands. Gotta go. I have an important date. And my electric car's already fully charged anyway. Perfect timing. But the KUKA story isn't over yet. We'll be seeing you. Always electrified.
about innovation, and the Human Hoist is absolutely about innovation.
Human Hoist is a worker support system designed to help move the worker around.
I see lots of potential uses where this is going to help relieve strain on your back, your knees.
Human Hoist to me is an opportunity to do your job during the day more efficiently and much more safely than you could before.
In order for it to operate, it has to be directly commanded by you.
Sliding in and out under the truck, being able to adjust my height under the truck, having it in the sitting position.
You can reach, you're working in front of you rather than up over your head.
It performs the functions that we need it to do very well, which is improve the safety of our shop and the ergonomics of our shop. So we're able to have people work with less strain, do a better job, focus on their work.
At the end of the day, you're not going to be tired anymore. It makes your job so much easier.
Human Hoist is a very unique product. There's nothing out there like it, just like there's nothing else out there like a Mack truck.